Welcome back to Nomad Engine. The camera glides low over cracked desert asphalt, heat rippling off the ground like a mirage, until the horizon bursts a silhouette, long, low, and impossibly poised. The Renegade Classic 45 CBF emerges from the haze, its chrome grille catching the sun in a flash that blinds like a director's lens flare. 45 feet of hand-laid fiberglass curves with the grace of a vintage yacht, painted in a deep midnight sapphire that drinks the light and throws it back in velvet reflections. Polished aluminum trim traces the body like silver stitching on a bespoke suit, every panel aligned with the precision of a watchmaker. The dual-axle tag setup sits regal, wheels shod in mirror-finished alloys that spin in slow motion as the coach rolls to a stop, kicking up a whisper of dust that settles on the ground like cinematic fallout. Step closer. The air smells of warm resin and money. Full-body paint shimmers under your fingertips. No decals here, just layer upon layer of clear coat so thick you could dive into it. LED marker lights glow amber along the roofline, subtle as city lights seen from a penthouse. Slide the key fob, and the entry door sighs open on silent pneumatics, revealing a threshold of polished stainless that begs you to cross it barefoot, if only to feel the cool metal kiss your soles. Inside, the world falls away. Teak hardwood flows underfoot in a herringbone pattern, each plank hand-selected for grain that swirls like smoke. Overhead, a recessed ceiling of Alcantara suede absorbs sound until the cabin feels wrapped in velvet silence. Ambient ribbons of LED trace the cabinetry, Italian walnut burl so deeply figured it looks wet, illuminating a lounge laid out like a private jet's main cabin. Twin opposing sofas face a 65-inch OLED that descends from the ceiling on a whisper drive, flanked by a fireplace whose electric flames flicker with the warmth of real wood without the ash. You sink into leather the color of fresh cream, buttery and fragrant, stitched with diamond pleats that catch the light like facets on a chandelier. The galley unfolds ahead, a chef's stage set in matte black quartz veined with gold. A full-size Sub-Zero fridge hums discreetly behind a panel that matches the wood, while a Miele induction cooktop gleams under a downdraft vent that vanishes at the touch of a finger. Above, a wine chiller keeps bottles at perfect temperature, their labels glowing through smoked glass. Every drawer glides on soft-close Blum hardware, revealing cutlery nestled in velvet inserts. A hidden spice rack rotates out like a prop from a Bond film, releasing notes of saffron and cedar into the air. Forward, the cab is a cockpit of quiet command. Captain's chairs swathed in ultra-leather pivot to join the lounge, their massage functions pulsing gently as you settle in. A 15-inch digital dash blooms to life. Gauges rendered in crystalline clarity, navigation overlaying satellite imagery, sharp enough to spot your own shadow on the road. The windshield curves like an IMAX screen, triple laminated for silence, framing the highway ahead in widescreen glory. Thumb the starter, and the Cummins ISX-15 awakens with a baritone growl that settles into a turbine-smooth idle. Ease onto the throttle, and 600 horsepower uncoils beneath you, torque surging like a wave. The ZF automatic shifts with the decisiveness of a film cut. No hesitation, no drama. Air ride suspension swallows expansion joints whole. The coach tracks straight as a laser, even when a crosswind tries to nudge 26 tons of luxury. At 70 miles per hour, the cabin is library quiet, conversation is possible in whispers, and the only intrusion is the soft tick of the grandfather clock mounted above the dinette. Cornering feels impossible for something this large, yet the independent front suspension carves apexes with the poise of a sports sedan. Body roll tamed by adaptive dampers that read the road 100 times a second. Regenerative engine braking halls speed down mountains with the ease of a feather on silk, while disc brakes all around bite with authority when needed. Fuel stops are theater. The 200-gallon tank lets you ghost 800 miles between fills, the onboard generator purring to life at a button press, feeding 50-amp shore power to every outlet so the espresso machine never misses a beat. Night falls, retractable awnings unfurl like theater curtains, string lights igniting in warm constellations. The master suite awaits aft, A king bed on a pedestal, dressed in 1200 thread Egyptian cotton, flanked by nightstands of burled elm. The ensuite bath is a spa carved from Carrara marble, a rainfall shower with body jets, heated floors that toast your toes, and a porcelain throne with bidet functions so refined you'll blush discussing them. Mirrored walls multiply the space until the bedroom feels palatial, with skylights above framing a canopy of stars. But exclusivity demands its tribute. The Renegade Classic 45 CBF begins at $1.4 million before options, and options are where dreams meet reality. Carbon fiber accents, a rooftop helipad for your drone, a garage that swallows a smart car whole, each checked box nudges the tally north of 2 million. Delivery weights are measured in seasons, not weeks, with each coach built to a single owner's fingerprint in Elkhart, Indiana, where craftsmen sign the chassis like artists signing canvas. Fade to black on the coach parked beneath a Milky Way so dense it drips light. The Renegade isn't merely transportation. It's a rolling manifesto that luxury need not whisper. It can thunder across continents and still arrive immaculate. If this cinematic escape stirred your wanderlust, smash that like button, drop your dream spec in the comments, and subscribe to Nomad Engine for more journeys money can buy. Until next time, keep the horizon in your mirrors.